Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Estate Planning TV. I'm your host, Christopher Small, and this is the internet's most passionate show about estate planning. And real quick, if you are listening to this intro, then what you are about to hear is one of my recent Facebook Live videos. If you haven't seen one of those before or didn't know about them, then please go and check out my Facebook page, CMS Law Firm, so that you don't miss them. All right, without further ado, here we go. Hey everybody, Christopher Small here with CMS Law Firm. Say hi to Piper in the background. I wanted to hop on here real quick and talk to you about why I think estate planning is a little bit like potty training. We are in the middle of potty training our last kid right now, Dylan. He's 2.5, and the way we do it is to just hop on, take his pants off, let him run around, and get him on the pot. But I was thinking about there's a lot of similarities between potty training and estate planning for a couple of different reasons. The first thing is that, we've been talking about doing this for a long time, and the time never seems right. We have to pick a long weekend. We know it's going to be not super exciting that we're going to be locked up, even when it's really nice outside like this. But we also know that it's something that we have to do. So, we plan, we think about it, and then eventually we just said today, okay, let's do it. Right, we're gonna just this weekend actually we're gonna do it. This is day number 2. But then something else happens, and this is similar to estate planning. I know this because this is what I do. I have clients that go through this process all the time. Once you get into the process, assuming that you have you're working with someone that's organized and sort of knows what they're doing and can help you work through things. You remember that you think the process isn't too bad. You just complete step 1, you complete step 2. Things start to move forward, you start to make progress, and as you start to see things move on, they get better. Same thing with the potty training, right? Day 1 was a disaster. There were all kinds of things going on, but day 2, he's using the potty, right? And it's getting better. So it's that same way with estate planning. And then, the last thing that happens is you get done. And, a lot of people don't want to sort of put off estate planning because they don't want to think about things, but when you're done, there's certainly a sense of relief, a sense of accomplishment, maybe even a sense of pride of having things done, of having protected your family. And the same thing goes with potty training, right? When you're done, obviously, you have a confident kid. You have things change in your life with what you can do and sort of the things that you can do. And of course, you have no diapers, right? So there's a bunch of good things there. So, just remember that before you get into it, there's a whole bunch of reasons why you can think it might be tough or difficult. But if you approach it with the right mindset, if you get in there and just take care of business, sort of rip the Band-Aid off and just go for it, that the process isn't actually that bad when you're doing it, and that when you're done, you're going to feel great. All right, so that's it. I hope you take advantage of getting an estate plan done, and if you think anybody else might like this video, if they're in the middle of potty training or something, feel free to share it with them and like it below. Maybe leave a comment or something if you have a question. And that's it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. Once again, by the way, I'm Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. See ya.